So what is this? It's just egg on a bread?
Yeah.
And then what's all this other stuff?
I think those are just nuts and seeds and stuff.
Is it good? Have you had this before? No? You like eggs though. You like eggs more than I do.
먹어봐.
It's okay. Right?
It's really healthy.
It's not healthy. It's like super buttery and it tastes so buttery.
So my husband, he thinks Myeongdong is the image that people think of Korea. Is that
You gotta
right?
show this seat. I like this. Yeah, like I said, like when people think about Korea, who've never been here, this is what they, in their mind, like their mental image.
먹어보자. 오레오 추로스 하나 주세요. 오레오 추로스. You have it? So black. Hi. Don't imply something.
I'm not. I just want to try a bite. Oh, don't imply.
I think it's just like Oreo. And there's nothing inside, but it's still good. Fried kimchi's in there. It's very spicy. It's better than I expected. For 6 rolls, it's only $5. Oh, melted cheese.
More.
맛있어?
Good. 오렌지 하나, 딸기 하나.
네, 5,000원이요.
Here's the gross orange. I think we should stay here and eat it while the garbage can is closed.
Everything about this place is awesome, but I just don't like that there's no trash can. I wish the city could have invested some money because there are so many tourists just, you know, doing what we are doing, but we're just like carrying our trash. I think you really like the grilled cheese.
Oh yeah, the grilled cheese and the tteok, that was really good. Because it's like an unexpected combination.
Oh.
You know, especially
with the condensed milk.
Yeah, especially with the condensed milk. I thought it'd be weird with the condensed milk, but it really, with the condensed milk, it's really good.